How to fix push notifications on Tinder app. Let's get started. Launch your Tinder app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find the Fin option. Navigate to this Fin option. You'll be directed to your profile page. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find the settings icon. Click on it. The Fin options will appear. Scroll all the way down. On the notification section, you'll find the option of push notifications. You have to click on that option. Now from this page, you can easily customize the push notification. If you want to get notified for new matches, you can toggle on for it. Likewise, if you want to get notified if you get messages, you can toggle on for the option of messages, and so on for other options. If you would like to get notified, you can enable for it. If you don't want to get notification, you can just disable for these options. So this way you can easily fix push notification on Tinder app. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.